Hello and welcome to the channel. We are doing long vowel sound of alphabet A. We have covered the words which end in E and how that E makes a difference when we produce the sound of our vowel A. Now if there is E in the end of the words, then we know that the A is producing the sound of long vowel A, which is A. And if there is no E in the end, then we keep on producing the short vowel sound of A, which is A. Now let's cover more words in these families. The first word that I think of is eight. Eight. Now what do you see in the end? You see an E in the end. What does it do? It tells us this is not going to be short vowel A sound. It is going to be long vowel A sound. And also it does not produce any sound of its own. So A is just there to help us. It is telling us this is long vowel A sound, which is A. So I'm going to read it as A, T, because T produces sound of T. So eight, and then I stop. No sound of E. Ate. I ate my food. That ate. Eat and ate. Ate is the past tense. That means it has already happened. Ate my food. Ate. Now before moving on to the next word, let's see if I do not put E in the end. How will I read this? I will read it as A. This is going to be short vowel A sound, A. And it will be at. I was at my friend's house. So this becomes 8 and this becomes at. Now next word is going to be, you see an E in the end. No sound of E. This is telling us this is producing long vowel A sound. So this is going to be ma, A, may, and then t, mate. Mate is a friend. So mate, ma, ate, mate, and I stop at T. No sound of E. Now I'm not putting E in the end. So this will be, you are right, short vowel A sound. And this word is going to be ma, at, mat. This is mate and this is mat. Let's see another one. This is la, a, long vowel A sound. La, a, lay, and then t, late. I was late to school. So this is late because there is E in the end. And it will not produce any sounds. Now when you will read, you will find many more words which end in E and they have A. So you know what to do. You have to pronounce them as A, not A sound of a short vowel. This is going to be long vowel A sound. Now let's move on to something new today. That's right. There are two vowels, A and I. Now what we are trying to do is we are going to see how A produces the sound of long vowel with different vowels, the combination of different vowels. So this is AI. That means whenever you see these two vowels together, which sound are we going to make? Whenever you see a set of two vowels together, most of the times the first vowel is the dominant one. By dominant, I mean to say that the first vowel will produce its long vowel sound. Now here, when I see A and I together, I see A is the first vowel that we have. That means A will produce the sound of A. Long vowel sound of A is A. So A will produce the sound of A and I will not produce any sound. Let's see the examples. This is R, And if you say A and I are together, so what is the sound of this part? This part is going to produce a sound of A. There will not be any sound of I. So this is going to be R, A, N, rain. We all love rains, the water dripping, and we enjoy the rains. This is rain, rain. Now what we are trying to do here is we are not concentrating on the writing part. We are only concentrating here on the reading part. Why? Because there are too many combinations of vowels together. It is very hard for us to remember all of them. We are trying to make it easy for us to read the words, and then slowly we'll figure out how to write them. With practice we'll know which combination is to be made. Now if I'm writing, I might get confused with the sound of A and write it as, because I hear rain. So the moment I hear long vowel A sound, I might put only A and end it with E. You are absolutely right when you do that, but this is not how rain is spelled. Rain is spelled like R-A-I-N. So for now, we are not concentrating on writing part. Let's just stop here for the reading purposes. Whenever you come across two vowels together, the first vowel will be dominant. Now we are covering the long vowel A sounds, so that's why I took the combination of AI here. This is rain. Let's take one more example. Pain, something which hurts. Pain. P. You see a combination of A and I together. A is the first vowel, so A will produce its long vowel sound. P-A-N, pain. Now I added another alphabet to it. P-A, this will be A, P-A-N, pain, and I end it with a T. Paint. The coloring, the drawing that you do with the painting colors. Paint. This is rain. This is pain, and I derived this word from paint. Now N and T will be blending their sounds. Paint, not painut. It's going to be paint. N and T are going to make a sound together of nt, paint. So this is rain, pain, paint. We have many more words. When you will read, you will come across many words we have a combination of vowels. So you know what to do. Whenever you see A first, it is going to be a long vowel sound of A. We will cover more such kind of words. We'll cover more such kind of families where A is the dominant one, and we will see how long vowel A sound is produced. I hope to see you in the next lesson with the next that kind of family. Bye for now.